And tonight I want to introduce this young man, and I'm going to ask him for the two little simple. It's not singing, it's just something. It's not preaching either. But he's going to do something that's different. And I admire it, and I want him to be a part. Come and bless it tonight. My brother, come here, so I can't announce your name too long. But he will tell you his name. Come here, he knows enough to ask my mic.
Big respect. Yeah, I'm Amaziyah the Great from Spanish Town, Jamaica. I have spoken word for deliver this evening. Because over the years we realized a lot of men, we are lose the men them. Enough man just bug out and not protect the women them. And the women are fed up and feeling tired. And this one is called the bitterness before you run it. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, "I'm such a big disgrace." I quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" And she yelled, "Get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheat, lies, you all take love for a game. I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor, yeah, put a bullet in his brain." Baby, y'all take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me, you can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after I tried to move on to get myself back in line. Thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So I had sex with his best friend in WhatsApp and the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt, need to start attending church, searching for comfort. But life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men. Her heart is now cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, saying, "Thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV?" The bitterness. Play it without a delay. The bitterness. No to domestic violence. No one in your respect, pump it up. You're saying Bo got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, bully for negative remarks, yell out. Who no expect, sure respect her, history was created. America bow down to a legend, honor, greatly appreciated. Not just locally, but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. Problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakily, creepily wanna take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance brown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind shoveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate, but display more hate. Anger escalates, too much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorate, and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls. Implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So Wagwan, can I get some love now? Sorry, I guess you love your phone. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We're still gonna waste time and I know what time really is. If only we understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey said unite, so why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can a politician make our life elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I go tired for see me face. Tell them precisely, it sounds like great from Spanish Town, Jamaica. Precisely. Can I?
Wow. Come on, put your together feet one more time. Let's go give one little piece of acapella. Let's give me a hello. Give me an acapella when I want to read it.
Okay. Respect. So, Back in Jamaica, way back when we used to go primary school, there's a book called I Am a Boy, I Am a Girl, My Name is Pam, My Name is Roy. So I tell a story in a different way now because them grow up. Domestic violence again, we say stop it. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully plus a sour selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship was a smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who makes you not break you, so go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody call police." She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Then suddenly started recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no protection. Few months later, she was pregnant, no baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy Shawley took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father, happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out he wasn't so, and later committed suicide. Pam never had good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the street. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after, she bought a car. Some people called her whore. She later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Big respect. Thanks. Someone's there to great.
Come on, somebody, put your hand together. Wow. Funny, or sometimes we start from somewhere.